Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the beautiful beach, An Beach area here. It is very rough, the sea, but it is still beautiful. A little bit cloudy, lots of blue sky all around, but some cloudy parts, which makes it even more charming. The ocean is not swimmable today, I think. Yes, it's not. It's very rough and very strong. Gotta be careful here, guys. Surfers are chilling. Not much, also no surfers out there today. I feel like it's not that good to surf today. Let's check it out. Check out how it looks. It smells a little bit fishy, but still people are in the water over there. Lots of people are in the water. I'm wondering if it's not too dangerous, guys. It's definitely not as good as the other day. The ocean also does not look that nice. It looks nice, but it's not like the blue or greenish type. But look at how paradise is full, guys. This is crazy. They got a good month. Or at least a week. Who knows how it will be tomorrow or the other week. Oh my God. That was close, guys. It's very strong. The ocean is very strong, guys. I think it's full moon. And also, as you can see here, how far the water goes here. All the way until here. But still, it's a great time to make photos right now. The sun is blocked by all the high rises. And yeah, it's the perfect lighting here. And soon it's sunset. Beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. I love having the sun going on me, but it's still not too hot. It's like the perfect mix. So this is how it looks today. Not as nice as the other day, but it's still very, very good weather, to be honest. It's very windy though, very windy. Keep that in mind. But it might be all good tomorrow again. But don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I will definitely always keep you up to date. But yeah, let's continue. Here the water is very close, guys. Very close. And it also looks like lots of sand is swapped away already. Also, this is very nice. The Cups coffee inside the bakery thingy there. Super nice. It's so big inside. And they have a co-working space there. Beautiful. Today it does look like a typical rainy season day at the beach. It's not really swimmable in my opinion. It's a nuance too cold. Now the Canadians would come and say, Sammy, you blah 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 blah. This is summer weather. You don't even know what's cold. Yes, I forgot what's cold. I forgot it. I totally forgot what's minus degrees. But yeah, it feels a little bit more fresh today. The wind. So going in the water might be a little bit cool. Let me check what temperature it is right now. 24 degrees. Oh man, I'm gonna get roasted. I'm gonna get roasted by you guys. But it feels cold today. Move the wind. But other than that, it's very nice and nice day to walk around. That's why I'll take you with me today on a nice ambience walk, I would call it. There you can get some coffee and drinks. That's a beautiful shot here. Wow. What? What was that? Check this out. A baby coconut just dropped down. But why? Who is in there? That's very strange. But yeah, so this can happen, guys. Be aware of that. There are also big ones who can kill you. This might just hurt a little bit. But the big ones might be able to kill you or get you brain trauma. So it does look very juicy here to lay around, but it could be also your last day on Earth. So stay away, guys, stay away. Stay away from the grass here. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.